In the following AP, find the missing terms in the boxes. Third one. So 2, so where A is equal to 2. Second term not given. Third term 26. That means A3 is equal to 26. A3 is given. A3 is equal to 26. You know, A3 means A3 is 26. Now we can write A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So A3 is given 26. That is equal to A given 2 plus 2D. Plus 2, ఇటువైపు పంపిస్తే minus 2. So 26 minus 2. That is 24. That is equal to 2D. 2D. Now 24 into 2 it is by 2 is equal to D. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So D is equal to 12. D is equal to 12. Now what is the missing term? So missing term is which one? Second one, A2. A2. A2 means A plus D. Second term means A plus D, or simply add D, that is 12 to the first term. 2 plus 12. That is 40. That is 40. So second sum. Second term is given A2 and fourth term. So in this case, A2 is equal to 13, A4 is equal to 3. A2 is equal to 13, A4 is equal to 3. Where A4 means we can write it as A2 plus 2D. A2 is already given 13. A4 is given 3 plus 2D. So 2D is equal to plus 13 with the minus 13. Minus 13 plus 3 means minus 10. Whereas D is equal to minus 5. Therefore first term means 13, whereas second term నుంచి D subtract చేస్తాం, minus of minus 5. That is 18. And our third term is 13 plus minus 5. That is 8. ఇలా చేయొచ్చు. లేదా మరొక మెథడ్లో, సెకండ్ మెథడ్లో A2 is given. What is A2? How much A2? A2 is equal to 13. A2 is equal to 13. It is equal to 13. A2 means you can write it as A plus D is equal to 13. Take this one as equation 1. Now A4 is given. A4 is equal to 3. So A4 means A plus 3D is equal to 3. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని A plus D is equal to 13, A plus 3D is equal to 3 రెండింటిని సాల్వ్ చేస్తే A plus 3D is equal to 3, A plus D is equal to 13. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ దానికి ప్లస్ ఉంటే మైనస్లు అవుతాయి, మైనస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ అవుతాయి. అన్ని ప్లస్లే కనుక కింద మైనస్ ఏ ప్లస్ ఏ మైనస్ ఏ క్యాన్సిల్. 3D minus D. 3D minus D is 2D. 3 minus 13 అంటే 13లో 3 తీసేసుకోండి, 10. పెద్ద నెంబర్ 13 దానికి గుర్తు మైనస్ కనుక దిస్ ఈస్ మైనస్. నౌ D is equal to minus 10 by 2. So answer D is minus 5. D minus 5. So first term, we want first term. First term means A or A1. A1 anna A anna first term. A is equal to, or simply A1 is equal to, first term is equal to second term minus D. So that is equal to 13 minus of minus 5. That is equal to 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. Next third term అంటే కదండి A3 A3కి కావాలంటే ఏం చేయొచ్చు, సింపుల్గా అందరు D వాల్యూ ఉంది, అలాగే A వాల్యూ ఉంది, అలా చేయొచ్చు. లేదు అంటే మన సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఈ సెకండ్ టర్మ్కి Dని యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఎలాగైనా చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో సింపుల్లీ 13 minus 5 that is equal to 8. That is equal to 8. ఎలాగైనా చేయొచ్చు. లేదు అంటే A3 is equal to A plus 2D where A is equal to 80 plus 2 into D is minus 5. That is equal to 18 plus into minus 2 5 is 10. So 18 minus 10, that is equal to 8. That is